Do you want to make an impact and become well known online? Would you like to be the go-to person in your industry? Are you struggling to get traffic to your website, to sell a product, or build an email list? If you or someone in your team is interested in search engine optimization and blogging to gain a higher rank on search engines like Google, I have got the workshop for you. Hey, I'm Kelly. I've been working with websites and search engines for 20 plus years. My blog pulls in 10,000 views per month. On average, that's 400 visits every weekday. If I can do that, you can do that too. I started 10 years ago blogging, and initially my blog posts were rubbish. For you, success will be so much quicker when you know how to target your efforts. I'm going to teach you everything that I learned. Blogging will not draw traffic unless you have researched your key phrases first. I show you how in this workshop. You will leave with confidence and a complete understanding of how to research and produce content for key phrases that people search daily. We'll look at using evergreen content to bring visitors to your website for the foreseeable future. And I'll show you how to track your rank and make the whole process much more of an adventure. You could be a business owner running your own website, a creative or a website designer, someone that wants to make an impact online. I want you to use these systems on as many websites as you maintain. I'll drop a link below for more information.